Right, so the plan is, we've just been walking along this creek and it's been really shallow. Around this area, and we've hit this deep bit, which is what we've actually been looking for.
And we're going to get the snorkels out.
Yeah, I can't see crap.
And we're going to just have a look under rocks and stuff. And we might even find some crayfish or even some eels to spear. So we're going to hopefully catch something and cook it up on a fire. And
maybe do some jumps off that rock over there.
Yeah, be sweet. Hopefully we catch something. And yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, let's go. We are. So Nick had actually just spotted an eel swim under a little crevice in the rock. But since we couldn't get to him with our spears, we decided to catch a few little freshwater prawns that we found swimming around and use them for bait on a hand reel.
What's on this thing? There's heaps right there.
Well, we quickly gave up on that idea. But anyway, we decided to keep following the creek and hopefully find another cool place to stop at. And you never know, we might come across something really amazing. We've just come across something really amazing.
What's that?
Holy crap.
Cicadas. Anyway, look what we found.
Aboriginal tree carvings.
Sick.
We're not really sure what it means, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, moving on.
So just as we're about to head back, we actually found something pretty damn deadly, but pretty damn badass, right next to the creek.
I'll get a stick, I'll get a stick.
There it is.
Hold it down, I'll get a stick. It's a red belly black snake.
It's a baby red belly black snake.
Don't lose it. No, we're gonna lose it.
Yeah, we are.
It's gone. It's going. Move. Move. Oh, it's biting. It's injecting venom.
Stop. No. Let's just keep it here. Keep it here.
No, it's right here.
Okay.
It's all good.
That's right.
All right, that's it. That's the red belly black snake.
Right there. Oh, don't lose him.
I'm not losing him. He's gonna come out to you in a second.
Yep. Certainly did. Whoa.
Alright. The red-bellied black snake. So, I've actually never seen one of these snakes in my entire life. This is the first one I've ever seen. We're just gonna show you him. So we really can't get bitten because we're just too far away from help. Like, if we got bitten,
We'd be dead.
probably
Whoa.
die. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Alright, it's your turn.
Okay.
I'm done with this fella.
Whoa, that was close. Here we go, ready? See how he flattens out his neck? He's acting a bit like a cobra. These guys are the closest snake we have here in Australia related to cobras. So this is one of the most venomous snakes we have here in Australia. Wow, that is sick.
See how his head, it's not black on there? It's like creamy, kind of brown.
They look so cool. He's just too small to handle.
Whoa! Yep, he pretty much almost bit me just then.
Okay.
There's a bloody horsefly on me.
Okay, hold it up.
Oh, Tommy!
Okay, just focus on the snake.
Ow!
Focus on the snake!
They get way bigger than this. Like, way bigger.
Yep.
This is...
They
How
get
old do you
like
reckon?
2-3 meters long.
He's really still now, isn't he?
Yep.
We're not dead yet, so I think maybe we should finish up with this guy. Chuck him back over there, exactly where we caught him.
Yep.
In that little palm frond thing.
Oh!
Yeah, the bloody... Yeah, right. You want to do that? Are you done with him?
Ready? See you, buddy.
Whoa! His head was right there.
I'm scared shitless.
This is actually the smallest friggin' snake.
Alright guys, we just want to thank you for the amount of support we're getting at the moment. We've hit like 150,000 subscribers or something like that, so that's really cool. We're going to try our hardest to upload more. I know we haven't for a bit.
It's hard.
It's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah.
We've done this trip a good few times,
Yeah.
but today, found the red belly, first time.
Yep. But we should be coming back here soon, so that's what we'll be trying to do. Spear an eel, take it back home, pick it up, or even just here. And give you a cool little eel recipe.
With lemon.
Yeah.
But we'll
And,
definitely be coming back here. So.
Thank you guys.
Thanks, guys.
We'll see you soon.